So my other project for today is the around the edge of the floor, and I mean the wood floor and the tile floor, there's a nice piece of wood that goes on around like it's a 90-degree piece. So now I'm just preparing it. I removed the drywall. I just put it temporarily, and then this piece of plywood I will remove too. I didn't attach it completely. So what I'm going to do is put some holes, some screws. I removed the drywall. I just put it temporarily, and then this piece of plywood I will remove too. I didn't attach it completely. So what I'm going to do is put some holes, some screws from behind, and the same thing over there. But what I have to do, I have to make a hole through that and then come the nail this way, and the same thing over here. So it's a good thing that I can remove the floor so I can go under that. So normally when they do that in houses, this is one of the first things they do, and then they build the floor around it. But because I need to have the house ready, not ready but usable every day, I can't do that. Alright, so this is the piece that's going to be on the entrance. So this is from behind, the front is there, and so this groove here is for the flooring. So this will go here like this, flush, and then it goes around and it goes to this corner a little bit too, until here, right? And so this piece is a little bit twisted, so I have to use the what do we call those things? I can't remember the name. These things. Clamps. So I got to use a lot of clamps to make it straight, and then put some screws to make it sure it's level. And alright, so I installed that fascia plate and well, it's been over an hour now and it's dry, so this one is kind of straight now. You can see that I went from behind to put the screws, and on this side here was easy. There's screws, about a dozen screws on this side. This one is more, well, it was easy to reach anyway. So now I'm going to put the plywood back, and that'll be it for that. So I put everything back in place, and I put a piece of plywood there to protect it, and some cardboard on top to protect it until I paint it and varnish it. That was quite a big job. Tomorrow another job.